Oh, whoa, what is that, my friend? Look at this, so many muddy cars here. And also this one. Okay, let's go. We are going to clean them up. Yes, my friend. Wow, very good. Look at this muddy car. Nice. Amazing. Let's go clean up. Well, right here, my friend. Right. Look at this. What is this? Wow, meter. Oh, meter, my friend. Nice.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now.
Okay. What is this? What is this, my friend? Okay, nice. This is a sheriff.
What are you doing here, son? You're gonna miss your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
Alright. Good. Alright. What is this? Oh, this is a Tayo.
Wow!
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course!
Oh, man. Okay. Yeehaw. This one is a roll random. Okay, no problem. Clean. What is this, my friend? Is this a Sally or not? I think so. Very nice. Look
Okay, boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
at this. Good. Amazing. This one, everybody know, my friend. McQueen. Alright, McQueen. Yeehaw, McQueen. Okay. What is this, my friend? Let's see. Wow, this is a police car. Nice police car. Hey. Okay. What is this? Who is this? Ramirez? Maybe. Okay, no problem. Clean. Nice. This one is Captain of America. Alright. What is this, my friend? This is a rally car.
Got 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Very nice. Amazing. Good. This one. This is, well, actually, I don't know, my friend.
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were down here because...
Anybody knows? Okay, no problem. Clean. This one is Formula 1. Okay, good. What is this, my friend? This is NASCAR.
In 27th place, and the last car on the lead lap at the moment, and Labonte went around off turn number 4.
Alright, NASCAR. Well, this one. Alright, still NASCAR. Very nice. Amazing. Okay. What is this, my friend? Look at this. Molen car. Truck. Right. And this one is what is this? Amazing, my friend. This is Excavator. Nice. Last one is a rally car. Alright. weekend, my friend. Many muddy cars here. Let's go. We are going to. Let's go. What is this, my friend? Let's see. Woo! This is friend, my friend. Kiha. Nice. This one is, what is this? Alright, this is a fire rescue. Amazing. Wow, what is this? Ah, dinosaurs. Alright. This one is a tile. Alright, nice.
Okay, I'm off.
Very good. And what is this? Let's see, yellow color.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots on.
Double cabin jeep. Alright. And this one is a kind of jeep, my friend. Let's see. Nice jeep. Okay. What is this, my friend? Rally car? Okay. For the rest. Okay. This one is Thomas.
Oh, the indignity! Which pongy engine is in charge here?
Okay. Amazing. And this one is minibus. We call Tayo, my friend.
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Yellow. Alright. Hi. This is, what is this, my friend? Wow. This is snow tractor. Okay. This is NASCAR. Alright. Untuk Nonton maybe. Big. Nice. No problem. The last one, see? Hi. Rally car. Okay, my friend. See? Clean already. Very nice, my friend. Bye bye. No more. Alright.